Welcome to Gbi Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW T-Roc SE. This car comes with the 1 Litre Petrol Turbo Engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez Compliant, returning up to 46 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of just 11, and it's a one-owner car, having covered just over 8,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This stunning colour is the Metallic Ravenna Blue, and as you can see, looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we have a look inside, first of all, you get the nice clean interior. The seats are in great condition. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your large touch screen there in the centre for your multimedia, which includes Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as cruise control, and then automatic headlights and wipers. And then finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The T-Roc's a great small SUV for the family, so lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. A nice wide door opening, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own USB ports there in the centre, as well as their own air vents. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor that's set at its lowest point at the moment, but you can also increase that to then have extra storage below. And then underneath the boot floor, you have some further storage and also your tyre inflator kit there as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.